Hey!
Hello. What's up, James?
What's up?
Okay. Cheers to the camera. Cheers to the YouTube. It's live streaming on YouTube, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
here we are.
Amazing. Here we are.
And we're here to build your heart's desire.
All right. Whatever my heart desires.
Yeah.
Wow.
Tell me about your brainstorming process. How do you come up with ideas, with AI ideas?
All these ideas, it just comes to me. I don't try to put together pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Just like something you have observed, and then you try to Google the product, and nothing comes up, and then you're like, okay, I should build that, and then you start building it, and then something shows up like, oh, else has already done it. So that has happened a couple of times.
How
But
long
yeah,
how long have you been in the AI space?
AI space,
Yeah.
2017-18, that's when I started.
Really?
Yeah,
How did you get into it?
I watched one video on YouTube. It was about AI playing Mario. Do you remember the old Mario game?
Mario Kart?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So AI playing that, just from the visual information, and it was such a cool concept. Like, how can AI do that just from the visual? Like, no data of what's gonna happen, or what's like, AI only sees the things that human player would see.
And
Yeah.
that's the moment that you decide
Yeah,
to learn how to code?
exactly.
So then you learned how to code.
I learned how to code only enough to train models. But I already forgot it. Like, last time I coded was 2018, 19.
Really?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
I learned like basic things, how to get libraries in
Mm-hmm.
your IDE, how to use components of it. I remember importing like NumPy, um, pandas, scikit-learn, if you remember.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Cool. All right.
all
Well,
those
let's.
things. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Edgar.
Whoa, Edgar is here. Our
Yo, Campus
campus clips
Clips.
is here. Ishmit,
This is it.
let's go.
All right. So I
Okay.
think we could just start building something today.
Okay.
We don't need to have too much of a plan. You
Sounds
know,
good. I
adventurous guys as we are.
Oh, we should share some stories about yesterday, but maybe at the end of the stream. If you
Yeah, or
stick
maybe.
till end of the stream, I'll share a couple of footage that you would love to see.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay.
How about we
Mhm.
just yeah, how about we just do some building? I
Oh
feel like
yeah,
I should come over
let's
here.
go. Uh,
Can I come over here?
sure.
If you mind.
Please. Why do you want to come over? Oh, okay. Makes sense.
Let's build something using Voiceflow.
Voiceflow. Okay.
Have you checked out the site?
No.
Okay, check it out.
All right.
Voiceflow.
Voiceflow. Okay, where's my cursor?
Building AI agents.
Building AI agents. Interesting.
So
How?
with
Yeah.
so with Voiceflow, you either making a chatbot or a voice chatbot,
Okay.
and it's drag and drop. So I figured for the next hour,
Yeah.
we could try and build some things together,
Hmm.
and just have a feeling how you like it. It's a low code tool, so it also means like you're gonna pick it up really fast.
Sounds good.
Cool. Get started.
Just me. That's specific enough, right?
This is not important at all. You can put in anything.
FGH. We heard from you from FGH. By the way, there is the mic, or this is the mic? The live stream. Should I check on YouTube?
That's the mic,
Okay,
but it's fine.
it's fine.
It should
Sure.
be fine. Yeah.
I'll just quickly check.
But it's fine. It's fine. Sure. Is it fine?
It's perfectly fine.
So skip this.
Yep.
Perfect. Okay. Now you're the driver, but I'm here by your side. So
Mm-hmm.
here we are on the left side. We're in the
Mhm.
oops. Whoa. We don't really need
Oh
to.
shit. Okay, wait.
That's fine.
Wait. Let me quit these two things.
What happened?
No, nothing. I was just trying to stop the notification, but I stopped the entire screen share.
Okay.
Okay. I can put it in do not disturb. Okay, perfect. All right. So the thing is, I shared two ideas with James.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I thought you were going there. I shared two ideas with James, and which one do you think we can build to finish in next 1 hour?
Well, the first one was they're both feasible, but the what? So what's your ideas?
Okay, yeah. So two ideas, right? Um, did I start recording? Let me.
This is
No.
also being recorded.
Yeah, I know. So this is also being recorded, but I'm recording the entire conversation right here on this Apple Watch, right? And I like to do that from time to time because I want to just not forget moments, the things that we have talked, and some follow ups after the conversation, and also just the summary. But what I have to do is like I have to go through the entire note and like try to remember when we talked about something at what time, right?
Yeah.
So if we have a tool where I can dump all my audio notes and it will transcribe everything, that's the first step. And second step would be getting insights from those voice notes. So this is the first idea, and I would love to have this. So this is
Mhm.
something I want to use. I'm not sure how useful it is to more people. Second idea, in bigger companies, anywhere from like 20 people to 1,000 people, they spend a lot of time in hiring process. So they have to do lots of interviews. They have to basically they have to do lots of interviews, like couple of round of interviews, and they have to do interviews of lots of candidates as well. So to solve that, we can make a website, basically a bot, a talking bot with voice and with like a 3D avatar. But we don't need 3D avatar today. We just need a voice, which can act as a recruiter and which will interview candidates. So let's say we have 500 candidates applying for any role. We don't filter any candidates from the beginning. We just give all of them our website link, and all of them will go to their website and do the interview. Maybe it will take 30 minutes, 45 minutes, but we have interview capture of 500 candidates, and we do the filtration from that. Maybe AI or maybe the manager itself or someone. And from that, we save time of hiring manager and hiring team by at least half, but eventually if the tool is really good, maybe even 90%. So yeah, these are the two
Cool.
ideas we are
Yeah,
playing.
they're both great ideas. I think we can make the second one real easy, and maybe after that we can make the first one. Not today, but maybe later.
Okay.
Um,
So you're gravitating more towards second one.
yeah, this is you'll kind of see as you explore Webflow.
Okay.
Sorry, Voiceflow.
Okay.
Kind of how you can make it. So let's have a look at like what you can do with Voiceflow.
Okay.
Because the reason is like you seem like a guy with a lot of ideas, right?
Right.
So I want to give you some tools,
Yeah.
and then you're gonna see it's gonna start to make sense to you how you can apply these tools. So like
Don't give a man fish, teach him how to fish. It seems like that, right?
right?
Yeah. Okay.
So if you kind of put your mouse here on the left side,
Mm-hmm.
up here
Yes.
you have a flow chart designer, and this is a very, very simple chatbot. So if we would click, so if you would click on maybe here at the top right, run, we can run the assistant.
Okay.
So yeah.
Bonjour. Am I asking? Okay. So this is the how do I add Okay, just some random thing.
Okay.
Hmm.
So
What am I supposed to write here? Just like how to use basic?
in this chatbot,
Hmm.
so this bot here is actually the bot that you're creating.
Oh,
And this on the left side is actually the source code
okay, makes more sense
for
now.
that bot.
Okay.
So we've only programmed it with 3 options. But if you run it, you can actually use these different options. Does that make sense?
That makes sense. Do I have to add information for this bot to work?
Well, right now it works with the 3 commands that are built into it.
Okay.
So for example, cat face. So basically,
Okay.
so for example,
Right.
here if we'll just if we click use ChatGPT, now we've opened up a whole different tree in your bot. But we can create these by dragging the blocks around, if that makes any sense.
Mm-hmm.
So escape, go back into Designer. But we started here.
Okay.
And so it gives us these 3 options in the bot. And then, wow, this mouse.
Yeah, it's very sensitive. It's like to the extreme.
And so these are paths that you can build. So like, for example, if you wanted to build like a way to interview people, you could build these paths.
Can we do that now?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
So basically here,
Do you want to teach me like basics of Voiceflow in like 5 minutes?
sure. But I don't know the basics, so we're just gonna
Okay.
figure it out.
Are you using this for the first time as well?
I looked at it a little bit yesterday.
Oh my. Oh my
How
god.
do you think I learn things?
Oh my god. I thought like you are master of Voiceflow.
I have some friends that are master of Voiceflow,
Okay.
but myself,
Maybe in like next 1 hour you will be master.
we will both be masters
Okay.
very soon.
Let's go.
So like, check this out.
Okay.
Once enabled, you can find the response AI step in your assistant's steps menu. We can add a knowledge base.
Yes.
We can add a knowledge base here.
Mm-hmm.
Which is all we can add. For example, you could add voice notes here.
Mm-hmm.
Interesting. Intense knowledge. So like we could add here a text file.
Okay.
That the agent can use.
All right.
And then the rest of this we don't even need to build. So for example, like let's say we want to remove these buttons, right? So now every time you run this bot, all it's going to do is it's going to just say this. It's just going to say this. This is the most simple bot, right? There's nothing. And then it ends. And it just ends the conversation.
Yeah, because it doesn't have anything.
There's nothing.
Right.
But let's say we wanted to add response AI, right?
Okay.
Put that here. And then we add a generative prompt, okay?
All right.
So, sorry. Whatever the user says, respond with a rhyming riddle.
All right.
Let's try it.
Run test. Coffee. Because we
path
need to
not
capture
connected.
that as well. Connected to what?
Oh, I did it wrong. Okay.
This should be connected to this, right?
I actually think. There we go. I actually think maybe this should be connected to here. I don't know actually.
James. That's fine. We'll figure it out. All right. The conversation. Okay. So I think we need to add something like talk, maybe at the beginning.
Yeah.
Like
Or
this.
maybe.
And then like first connect this to here.
Which block is this? Okay.
Just like. I'm not sure. I'm just
Actually,
trying things out.
I have a thought.
You have a thought
Yeah, I
already?
have a thought here.
And like from here to here.
I have a thought here.
Okay, try.
Let's use listen.
Mm-hmm.
Capture.
Okay, makes more
Capture
sense now.
user reply to last utterance. So
Mhm.
first thing we have to do.
Yeah. Just a second. I'll quickly message. I am in stream now. Let's meet in at 2:45. Mason.
Okay, have a look.
Sorry. Someone was coming here to meet me, but they are late, so I cannot meet them now. Capture user reply and then respond them with the thing. Okay, makes much more sense. Did it work?
No.
It didn't
Wait,
work.
so run it. Run test. Hi. Ah,
Perfect.
see, we don't need to know how this works.
You just
We're already
figured it out.
figuring it out. Does it make sense what I did here?
Yeah, it makes sense. So can we make loop where it just keeps on going?
Try it.
How do we do that?
Well, first you have to escape to go back to the designer because now we're in test mode, and then
Logic?
not even necessary.
No.
All you need to do is drag from here
Okay.
back to where you want to go. Where do you want to go?
Wait a second.
Where do you want to go?
Right here.
Yes.
Really?
Let's try it.
You think this is?
Do it.
Should I do it at start?
No, this is fine.
Okay. Oh shit. Wait.
Ronick.
Did I break it? Did I break it? I broke the simulation.
Aren't we learning a lot this way?
Okay, thank you.
I'm a drink that wakes you up with a flavor that's bold, never hiccup. Bitter or sweet, you can take your pick. This beloved beverage. Okay, that wasn't exact. Yeah, okay. The
Perfect.
prompt could
This
be
is-
better.
No, forget about that for now. That's not what we are trying to optimize here, but we made it work.
Yeah.
So this is basically a chatbot, which can ask user for the information and stuff. Can we make this in voice?
Sure.
Is possible, right?
Sure.
Let's just do this in voice.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
So let's go back. And I'm not sure. We might have to start over, but whatever. It's not like we got that far. New assistant,
Um,
and then hear voice.
oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna name it Hire for me. Do you like the name?
Love that.
Language will be English for now. Continue. That's it. All right. So this is the first message. How do I run it? This is the first message, your assistant. Okay, maybe we'll have a. Oh. How do we fix that? Because can you mute that?
How do we fix that? You just
because we'll need to have a speaker here.
Oh, you think it's coming from here?
I think so.
Try it again.
Yep.
That's not. So
Okay. I see. We cannot do that.
Why not? We just need to mute.
Me from here?
Just need to mute
I'm
everyone.
already mute.
Oh no, we can't do it.
Yeah.
We can unmute you,
Okay.
and then we
let's do that.
can
Mute yourself.
mute me.
Yep. Let's do that. Can I unmute myself? All right. I am
Now there's sound.
1, 2, 3 test.
Now there's sound.
Yeah, there is
1,
some.
2, 3 test.
Oh my god. Okay. So in last 15 minutes, if you have missed the last 15 minutes of sound, what we talked about was how to capture the audio from user and how to put logic around that. And now we'll go to the next block, which is going to be about um, like asking the question. Okay, wait. Someone is, I mean, loves the stream. Okay, let me share the stream link with someone.
Yeah, that was just 5 minutes ago. So
Perfect. Not that long we have lost, right?
no.
Okay, perfect. All right, so now we are going to make some questions. For now, I'm just going to keep the questions as like, hey, how many wait a second, years of experience do you have? What's the spelling of experience? Okay. That makes sense. Select block. Can you help me connect this one?
Yeah, sure. I'm just trying to see if there's a good way to deploy this. Anyways.
Okay. So okay, now someone has said yes, and next question is going to be, I think it will be more automated. We'll eventually have a Google sheet of each interview and what hiring manager would like to ask. But for now, let's just assume that this is the question we want to ask. How do we connect?
Yeah, right.
How do I connect?
How do you connect? Drag from the dot. Drag from the dot.
This dot?
Okay. Then in that case, click on select block.
Huh, so this one is working. Wait a second, I need to go back.
Okay, click on select block.
Select block.
Uh-huh.
Go to blocks. Block. Home.
Here, you know what you should do? You should try and delete this thing here. Here.
Nope.
Here. Delete it. Now. Here. I just deleted it from here. See that?
What was that? There was some.
This go to. I think a go to is just like an arrow, but I wouldn't use that. I wouldn't use the go to.
All right, for now.
Just remove it. Yeah.
All right, so let's test the entire flow again. Okay.
No consent.
Okay.
You have to hold the space bar down.
Okay. 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 So there's something wrong with here. Okay. 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 No, it's not working.
Okay.
You're saying it with love as if it's gonna work. Okay.
So,
I think this is some voice flow error, but it was working like 2 minutes ago.
yeah. Let's try that again.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do that. One of my YouTube's channel name is Okay.
Oh yeah.
Mhm.
How's that channel doing?
No, that channel is just for me.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, so I think this one didn't work properly because that should be just block of question. I think we have can we just copy and paste it here? We need to copy this and paste it here. This is wrong block, I think.
What block did we use?
I think we used listen and capture probably. That's
Really?
or we use speak, I think. Wait, can do Control Z. I just want to copy the question. So we
I already did.
oh, perfect. Great minds think alike. Okay.
We can even just test this.
Perfect.
Now, check OK.
Yes, I.
Escape. Check OK.
All right. Go next.
Let's try from here. Oh, actually, that won't work because.
Okay. Lovely. So we want to go for. Can we can do that, right? Copy and paste of blocks.
Sure.
Perfect. So here, and I want to validate. First of all, this is just capture, right? So wait a second. This is gonna capture by itself, right? Let's just run that through again. Okay. 5 years. 5 years. didn't work.
The microphone is a bit.
Right. Okay, so
Not
perfect.
perfect.
This is perfect.
Yeah, and you know what else I see now
Yeah.
that we can do, which is gonna be a little bit easier.
Yeah.
Cause like, see this, how there's like gray blocks and then white blocks.
Mm-hmm.
We could also simplify it like this. Same thing. If there's no what I'm saying is if there's no logic, we can literally just put them in the same blocks like that.
Lovely.
So now it's
To
like,
make it more cleaner.
yeah, way cleaner, right?
Yes.
Although
Lovely.
this still looks a little bit weird.
Probably because the else is connected there.
Yeah, that's
That's why.
weird.
It's fine. Okay, so now what we need is so let's go for let's just go through what kind of questions hiring managers ask, right?
Yeah.
First one is, let's say I'm hiring for mobile developer. I would ask, the first question is, how many years has it been since you're working in mobile development, XYZ technology, whatever tech stack we are hiring for? So first question would be like, this tech stack, how many years of experience do you have? This tech stack, how many years of experience do you have? And these are very basic ones. This is already available in resumes. So what we want to go for next is, tell me a bit more about your projects. Like the last time you were working on this project that you have mentioned in your resume, how was it?
Yeah.
And we can automate that as well with somehow we can automate that.
We
But
can.
Eventually the chatbot will ask, tell me more about the projects that you worked on, XYZ. And we want to use that data to make the decision of if we want to hire that person or not, because the reason we are hiring that person is for some specific reason in our company, right? So if someone has relevant experience to what we are looking for, that will be a better hire. So we will ask companies to give a job description in a detail. Like let's say if BuildSpace is hiring, right? So they are building Sage. So hey, to build Sage, you need to have, if you have experience of organizing 100,000 to 10 million user data, that will be useful for BuildSpace after like 6 months. So they can start hiring right now for that kind of profile, or at least start looking for that kind of profile. And if they want to automate hiring decisions with this bot? Those are the questions we will need to understand. So next, we want to go to understand, like, tell me a bit more about your projects. You can be as detailed as you want, right?
Sure.
So let's go from how many experience you have. I want to use this block again, so I'll just copy and paste. How many years? There's no logic needs to be here because
Yeah.
we want to still keep interviewing no matter what's their experience in terms of years. How many years of
What if they say 1 year? You still want to keep interviewing?
Yeah, that's fine. Even if they say 0, it's fine, because for now it's fine.
It's free for us.
Tell me more about the last projects you have worked on. What is this AI generated thing?
Oh, try it. I think it's gonna come up with some different options.
Okay.
So maybe this will make it less repetitive. So basically, what you're doing is half the time it will say the top one, and half the time it will say the bottom one. Does that make sense?
100%.
So
And
it
then
seems more human that way, although it's just yeah.
Okay, generate more. Can you share more information about more recent projects?
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Oh, this is intelligent. Okay, it's not intelligence, but what they
It's
have
fake
done.
intelligence.
Yeah, it's fake intelligence. What they have done is impressive.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me run through the loop, and just for the sake of it, I'm gonna just remove this for now.
What else we can do
Yes.
is oh, why? Because you
I don't want to keep
Okay.
hearing the same thing.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Okay. 20 years. 10 years.
10 years.
Oh,
Maybe it's the accent.
Really? Is it my accent? Say something.
Is it my accent?
Probably it is. I mean,
Maybe we can.
so we need to do
Maybe
this.
we can make a voice bot that trains you on your accent.
We need to do this. Like, we need to have like some sort of digit. So we'll add that logic, because this kind of response should not be accepted.
Oh yeah, we could do that.
Yeah.
Shall we? Can I give it a try?
We don't need to do that now.
Okay.
Because let's just assume that all the people are answering what they're supposed to answer.
What if they say, yeah?
Yeah, sure. I was working on a project that is called Sage at BuildSpace, and we were working on connecting people based on what they're working on and who they want to connect with. And that was super impressive, interesting project. You can learn more about them at buildspace.so. This is all right. This is all right, because from all the data we get, we can do so much of analysis there. Okay, and amazing. So can we push this data to Google Sheet, or like, how do we make use of this data as me as a person who has created this chatbot?
So I think
For now, we can stop making the chatbot, because I think that problem is solved.
Cool. So here under transfer.
Great work on picking up the right tool.
That's the most important. That's the most important thing.
Yeah, this is like first 1.5, not even, just first 40 minutes of us using the tool, and it's super good that we could make something out of it. Okay, let me have a look here.
Here, check this out.
You have been invited to conversation with hire for me. Okay. Okay. Cannot see.
Why can't I hide this?
You can hide it. Oh yeah, perfect.
Okay, you have to hold the space bar for this.
All right. Okay. $20. Sure. So I was working in a company called Bill Space, and we make rockets, and it was fun. Thank you. Why I don't see the chat history? Full screen. Oh shit.
Okay, so let's say that was a test, right?
Yeah.
So now let's close this,
This is super good.
and then we go back to transcripts. This is it, right? So now you want to get this into a Google Doc.
Yep.
Or into a Google Sheet.
Yes. Google Sheet would be.
Actually, yeah, I'm not sure how we would get this into a Google Sheet.
What is happening out?
What's happening?
Just a second, we're coming back. Sorry to leave the live stream on, but it was very important. Okay, so
so you want to see if we can get this into a Google Sheet, right?
yes,
So,
integrations.
sure, it's possible. No. So,
Is it?
not exactly. It'll require a bit of scripting. So it's not natively possible to put this into a Google Sheet. It wouldn't really make a lot of sense, though, if you think about it, because you don't know how many rows you're going to have, right, in a conversation.
No,
So it's
it
not
will
like-
be fixed because it will be like question
Mhm.
that is fixed,
Yeah.
and then the answer by the candidate.
Right.
So we know how many rows there will be.
So you have question on the left side, then answer on the
Yeah,
right side.
right.
Then the next row, you have question and answer.
Yep.
And so then you have multiple candidates. Where will that go?
Oh yeah. So each candidate, first of all, we will in the Voiceflow, we'll ask them to authenticate, and it will only be the people that we have given the email access to.
Mhm.
So only them. So first we need to make sure that, and second, all the info should be can be traced back to the candidate. So
Mhm.
we need to connect their email ID somehow with
Yeah.
all this information.
Let's do one at a time. So the Voiceflow authentication.
Mm-hmm.
You just want to check if the email address that they give you is on a list. Is that
Yes.
the idea?
Yes. That we can do. I think that's fine. That's not the main thing we need to do is put this data somewhere where we can make use of this data. Otherwise, if we have like 500 interviews of candidates, then it's not useful to go through them one by one manually.
Yeah.
We need to make sense of this data with probably LLMs, let's say. So we need to export.
Right. So yeah. So you can export one transcript, but we want to
Export everything.
export them all.
That is super important. Or if we can make use of the data right here, that is also fine.
So you can filter.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So they have an API.
Okay.
We could use an API. Yeah, we can.
Yeah, we can use this API.
We can use. Yeah, we can use an API. Don't
Okay.
show your API key.
Yeah, I will. Ooh.
So yeah, there's an API call which will get everything as a CSV. So
All the transcripts. Yes.
yeah, let me
Double check.
let me do that. Okay.
Yep. Let's do that.
So here we are,
Yes.
and this is the API call, right?
Okay.
I could also do this as Python, okay? And I could put this into a collab notebook,
Okay.
right? And I'll make a new notebook and I'll share it with you.
Import URL
Run it.
7 Yep.
Okay, notify.
Yes.
Okay. And now,
Yeah. Don't show my screen yet.
I won't. So this is what I'm gonna do is
Okay. I'm there.
where's the API key? How does it go? Your API key is sent in the request header. Okay, maybe it's just header.
Okay.
We don't know. They didn't exactly say authorization. Maybe something like this. And then Voiceflow API key.
Yes.
Then we need the project ID from Voiceflow. Yeah, who's this guy? We need the project ID from Voiceflow.
Where do we find that?
Go to your Voiceflow project.
Okay. Designer. Okay. Look here.
There we are.
There. Which ones? This is transcripts. Probably not around here.
That's fine. Go to
Settings.
settings. Project ID. Copy that. Go to the collab notebook.
Wait a second.
Now paste that where it says transcript ID. No, sorry, project ID.
Okay.
Cool.
Do we need other things?
Now, yeah, we are gonna need, but it's okay. Check my screen for a sec.
Okay.
So I am going to go to, not this, transcripts API. Fetch project transcripts. Copy this out.
Fetch project transcript. Okay.
And import requests. Yeah. So wonder if this will work with the API key. So basically,
Mm-hmm.
the first part is getting the list of transcripts for the
Right.
project.
Yep.
So the rest of it we don't need yet.
Okay.
And then the second part is going to download download a transcript.
Yeah, let's just see the transcript here. Maybe even that is enough, right?
Get your okay.
Should I pass my API keys?
Almost soon. Let's see how that goes.
How do you usually take care of not exposing your API keys on live streams?
Just turn off the screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you
So
want?
perfect. Can you like WhatsApp it to me?
Okay. I can. The API key, right?
Yeah.
Primary API key, copy API key, and sending you on WhatsApp. James.
Cool. So now I'm going to take the API key. Not going to share my screen.
Very wise thing to do. But I think even if you do it, that's fine because
We
this
can reset
API key does not have any balance. It's a new account. My credit card is not linked.
No, it's more about your account and the data on it. So then
Oh,
here,
okay.
let me just show what I'm doing here. Oh no, that's yours. That's
Good job.
That was teamwork right there. So
you didn't ask me to close it, bro. Okay, wait.
Why'd you have it open?
Okay.
Then I'm gonna paste it here.
It's funny.
Now I'm gonna paste it here.
Okay. Now do it on the screen. It's fine. We'll rework it up.
Doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Now I'll hide it.
Oh.
And now we'll run this.
Okay.
I'll grant access to my secrets.
All right.
And what do you know? That actually worked. Interesting. So this bit here,
Right.
I was kind of guessing what to put there because this is the authorization part. And yeah, all you need to do is add authorization field. And then
Okay.
that works fine. So now I'm just going to write a little bit more. So it's printing response.text. What I really want to get is response dot. I want to get a list of the transcripts.
Yeah, this is list of
Well, this is
just user information.
No, this is actually a list of the.
Me as a creator.
This is actually a list of the transcripts, I believe. So we can try that out. If I would copy this here,
This is mine for like Mac OS,
session
Chrome
ID.
browser.
Sure. Check this out though. I'm guessing that if I take this,
Yeah.
and if I paste that there.
Do you need to put something here as well?
Okay, we're looking for a 24 character string. Where?
Here, Voiceflow.
Oh no, that's the secret. That's how it's not shown.
Okay.
Interesting. I didn't get. That wasn't the right way to do it. Okay, we got. Is that the right way to do it? Like this? Okay. ID. Oh, it's probably just this one.
Mm-hmm.
I bet it's just this one. I was taking session ID instead of ID. Let's take this one. And nothing. But it didn't error this time either. Wait. No, that's not right. I copied the exact same. No, ID is the same as the project. We need to get the.
Can check my thing again. Project ID and version ID.
We need to get the transcript ID.
Transcript ID. Okay, let me check. Transcript export. There is an export here. I can, but it's manual. Okay. Transcript ID.
It's not that one. Try it.
Integration.
Response should be.
Nope, not able to find it.
Over here, there's something called annotations.
Annotation. Okay.
I'm trying this. It didn't show up though. Right here it says that ID should be the transcript ID, which is
We do not have transcript ID.
it's just giving the it's actually giving the project ID instead of the transcript ID. Oh no, it's different. No, it's different. They both start with 660B.
Yeah, it ends with different
and
things.
something else.
Project ID is.
Then it should be fine. Maybe I copied the wrong thing. Oh, interesting. Okay.
Yes.
Well, there's nothing here. Oh, it's CSV.
Okay.
But still, CSV should show up as something. Why is it blank? Why is the transcript blank? Do you get a transcript? Can you go back to your transcripts section under Voiceflow?
Yes, I'm there.
Okay. What do you see? You see this.
Yep.
So you see all of this.
And also, I just saw this thing. Can export.
Yeah, that will get you one CSV. What does that do?
Yeah, I mean that's it.
Does it work?
No, it works, but the thing is,
Is it blank?
no, it will be. Oh yeah, perfect. This is what we need for all the transcripts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
so we should, for some reason.
Perfect. This is exactly what we need. Can you see? Oh, you cannot see my screen.
I can see your screen. It's right here.
Oh no. I'll try to share my entire screen. Present. Share screen. Screen share. Windows. My. Okay. Yep. All right. So, can you allow? Yep. So you get all this data. This is the things that interview asked, and these are the answers that candidate replied, and that's all we need. Okay.
Yeah. For some reason, when I try and run that same request through the API,
Yeah.
I'm getting a blank file.
Okay.
I'm not getting an error.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just getting a blank file. So that's a bit odd.
Hmm.
But I could also try. I have an idea.
What is it?
I'm going to convert this to a curl request. So, and then I'm going to use that. Okay. Okay, Rana, just change your keys after this.
Okay.
Oh, that's not what I wanted. Shoot. Copy this.
Okay.
here. Oh yeah, I can't copy it from there anymore. Okay. Paste it there. The curl also gives a blank response. It's not good. Huh.
I'll need to head out in like 3 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
But this is perfect. This is like a really good start of what we can build. If we can export everything with API, this is
Get
all.
transcript dialog and export transcript dialog.
Yes.
What is the
Wait.
difference?
Where is this thing? Where is the transcript ID? We don't have that. That's the only problem.
Yeah, it doesn't look exactly right. Transcripts. Ah, okay. If I remove the export, it should still work. Ah, then I got this. Oh, we got something, but it's just not in. Yeah, we did get it, but now it's just not in Python Lab. It's just not in CSV format, but that's fine. So here, so we can do this. Over there. Like this. And then I can do this. Prepare to be amazed.
We have all the transcript.
Yeah, so look at this.
Search like experience.
Say okay.
Say okay to consent.
Here,
Yeah, how many years of experience we have?
20 years.
Perfect.
So we
yeah,
have a way to get through it.
yeah. So this is perfect, and this is by their own API, right?
This is the
So we
official
can get
API.
all. Yeah. So we can get all the transcripts, and
Yeah.
once we have all the transcripts, we can do all the intelligent stuff.
Yeah, we can do it.
That's it.
Okay.
Perfect. So this is a good base for what we want to build next. Okay, sounds good. Thank you so much, James, for having me.
Any final words?
Final words. Keep building, keep tinkering, keep thinking out of the box.